Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. That's the truck that we'll be demonstrating on. But even if you have, guys, some different here in my work as well, you have two different fuse boxes on your truck. One is under the hood, and if you open it, it will look like this one. Now, here, guys, you have different fuses, relays that could be hard to find, expensive, they're Ford specific in some cases. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience. The fuse, guys, for the passenger door module will be located on the passenger side in the footwell by that kick panel. If you remove that cover right here on the side, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The specific fuse that we'll need to check, guys, for the passenger door module now. Okay, if you come from the very top, you can see that's fuse number 23, 24, 25, then you go to 26 right here. So the fuse that we will need to check is fuse number 26. We're talking about a 30 fuse here. So from top, 1, 2, 3, 4, that fourth fuse, 30 fuse will need to be checked specifically. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.